Hello, I'm Amaryllis and I will show you how to craft mini Christmas tree with toilet paper rolls. You will need one cardboard roll to make a Christmas tree. First, flatten it. Use a ruler and mark the center of one side. Trace two lines from the center to one corner to create a triangle shape. Cut the cardboard roll following the lines. You now have four identical triangle shapes. Fold them in the center. Snip the edge of the shape and cut out small triangles to create a pine tree shape. Do the same for all four triangle shapes. Take the first shape and add glue all along the fold. Place the second shapes next to it and press to fix together. Add more glue in the center to fix the third shape. Then finally attach the last shape on the other side. And this is how your little Christmas tree must look like. Use green acrylic paint to add color on your tree. If you like, you can add a trunk on your tree. So just take a wine cork, cut it in half, and then glue it on the base of your tree. If you want, you can also paint the wine cork. Make as many trees as you like. Time to decorate the mini Christmas trees. You can use a lot of different decorative items to do so. I will show you some ideas with pompon, gliders, and little stars. Idea 1. Use small pompons as ornament for your Christmas tree. Just apply a dot of glue on the tree to fix the pompon. Idea number 2. Use glitter. Put dots of white glue all around the tree and then spread glitter over it. Shake to remove the glitter excess and let it dry. Idea number 3 to decorate your Christmas tree. Cut a piece of yarn and wrap it around the tree to create a little cute girland. Get creative to decorate your Christmas trees. You can display your Christmas tree on a shelf, on a windowsill, or use them as table centerpiece. I hope you enjoyed this easy Christmas craft idea. Like and follow for more craft and DIY.